How to calculate how many times a text has appeared in a column in Microsoft Excel. Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this intermediate Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you an excellent way that will help you counting how many times a text is written in a column in Excel. Let's get started. I'm going to write a simple formula in this cell, and then I will know how many times apple is written in column A. Okay, I'm going to write here equal to and then write COUNTIF. Here is our COUNTIF function. Our range will be column A because I want to count how many times a text has appeared in this column. Okay, so when you click on the column name, which is A, the entire column range is selected and written inside your formula. Now if I add comma, and now I want to find out how many times apple is written here, and whenever I scroll down I want to see how many times banana is written here. So I'm going to select the first cell where I have the text, which is A2 in this scenario. And now if I close parentheses and press enter, there are 3 times apple is written in this column. Here is one, here is another, and here is another. So if I drag this formula, I will get a result for each one. Okay, so mango is written twice, and banana is unique, and orange is unique. But if you don't like this way, let's write this formula again here. I'm going to just copy it. I'm not changing anything. Okay, and I'm writing that here. And now only thing I'm going to change is the criteria. If I click on the A2 cell here, you can see in our formula our criteria is bold. Okay, so this is our criteria cell, which is already A2 right now. Let's write here E2. Okay, and if I press enter, it should be 0. Now whenever I write here something, if I write here apple, and we know how many times that text is appeared in this column. If I write here banana, and we know the number. Let's write here mango. Okay, so you can get the appearance in both way, right beside the name and also any specific location and with specific condition. Okay, so this is what I wanted to show you. Thank you, thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. If you can, support the channel through Patreon and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, thanks for watching.